Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how you can download the Age of Empires 2 on your respective device whatever you are using. So first, before we start, make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you on this video. So let's get on it. So the first option that I am going to show you is for the Xbox app for Windows. So if you're using Xbox app on a Windows device, you can go ahead and follow the steps right here or follow the instructions. So on your Windows 10 or 11 device, just select on the search on the taskbar, and then just type the Xbox in there and then just select it from the list. So if the app isn't installed, you can get it free from the Microsoft Store. So you can also search it from the search taskbar on your device. So if you are a Game Pass member, select the Game Pass tab and then just choose a game from the catalog or type it in the search box. So on the games page, just select the install and then you can follow the prompts to install the game on your device. So that's it for the Xbox app on a Windows. So next, what I am going to show you is for the to install it in your Microsoft Store. So to download or update the game in the Microsoft Store, you just need to press onto your Windows key and then search for Store or the Microsoft Store to find it and open the app. So make sure that you are signed in the account that owns Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. So click onto the library in the lower left hand corner of the store and then just select the games. And then just press the Get Updates button to automatically detect, download, and install the latest changes to your game. And then lastly, let the store download the Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition. And once your download is complete, you will be able to search for your game in the Windows Start menu or listed under My Library in the Microsoft Store. So you can also create a shortcut to access and launch the game from anywhere on your computer, just like in your desktop. And then next, what I'm going to show you is how you can download the Age of Empires 2 through Steam rather. So to download it through Steam, what you need to do first is to open the Steam client, and then after that click on the library to see your games lists. So click the downloads at the bottom of the library window. So if the new build does not download automatically, just click the button to manually download the new update. So by default, by default Steam will automatically keep your game updated whenever a new build is released. So you can click onto the library and then go to the games to search for and launch your game when it is available. But if you have disabled auto updates, you can also click to your library and then games and then go to the download section to view your download queue and prioritize Age of Empires 2 Definitive Edition above other games in your library. So that's it for this video. And remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps again at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.